Think your hot flashes, weight gain, brain fog, and fatigue are just from low estrogen? What if cortisol is making all those same symptoms worse? Hi, I'm Dr. Sasha Blissett with Inland Naturopathic Wellness Center, where we help women uncover the root cause of hormonal imbalances and thrive through midlife. During perimenopause and menopause, your ovary naturally produces less estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. At the very same time, many women are also dealing with chronic stress, which means the adrenal glands are producing more cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. Here's why that matters. High cortisol doesn't just make you feel stressed, it can actually interfere with estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, how these communicate with your cells, making hormone imbalance symptoms feel even worse. It also tells your liver to release more glucose into your bloodstream because your body thinks you're in danger. The problem is today's stress isn't usually running from a predator, it's deadlines, caregiving, poor sleep, financial pressures, and constant demands. Your body stays in survival mode, keeping cortisol elevated far longer than it was ever designed to. And there's one more thing: chronically elevated cortisol can slow the conversion of inactive thyroid hormone T4 into the active thyroid hormone T3. That can contribute to fatigue, brain fog, feeling cold, slow metabolism, and difficulty losing weight. So, if you're only focused on replacing hormones but never addressing chronic stress and cortisol, you may be missing a major piece of the puzzle. At Inland Naturopathic Wellness Center, we evaluate hormones, adrenal health, thyroid function, and metabolic health together because that's how you will uncover the true root cause.